guys, welcome back to my channel for a CVS Deals video, and thank you all for joining me once again. This is a brand new ad and there are some very good deals in it, and there is also an epic event going on right now. What that means is you will get a $10 off when you spend $30 on beauty or personal care items. You can find this coupon on CVS app or you can print it from the coupon center. I'm going to explain each deal by itself, and towards the end, I will share 6 options of the deals I put together using the 10 of 30 CRT. And also scan your items to be sure that they are attaching to the 10 of 30 CRT. If you're joining us for the first time, I would like to welcome you. Thanks for being here, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And also check the description box for a link to a Google Doc of all the deals I shared in this video. And let's go find some deals. Let's start this video with Colgate toothpaste. The Max Fresh is on sale for $3.99 and it's part of buy 2 get $4 back. Pick up 2 for a total of $7.98. Use a $2 digital coupon and you pay $5.98, get 4 back, making them $1.98 or 99 cents each. And this is part of the 10 of 30 CRT. My next deal is on General Mills cereal. They are on sale for $1.99, no extra care box back. Pick up 2 Lucky Charms for a total of $3.98. Use the $1 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $2.98, and that will make each box just $1.49. My next deal is spend 12 get 7 back on any Neutrogena cosmetics. Pick up 1 Hydro Boost lip gloss priced at $11.99, and that's within the 98% rule for spend 12. Make sure your store follows it, that way you get your extra care box. Use the $3 digital coupon and you pay $8.99, get 7 back, making it just $1.99. My next deal is on Real Techniques. They are on the deal of spend 15 get $10 back. Pick up 1 Real Technique 2-in-1 powder puff priced at $6.79 and 1 Real Technique sponge duo priced at $11.99. These 2 will total $18.78. Pay $18.78 and you get 10 back, making them $8.78 or $4.39 each. This deal will come out cheaper when I add it to the 10 of 30 CRT. Keep watching. The next deal I have is buy 2 get 6 back on any Garnier facial care. Pick up 2 Garnier Blackhead Eliminating Scrub on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, and it's priced at $9.29. And with the buy 1 get 1 half off, the second one will be $4.65. These 2 will total $13.94. Check your app. We have a $3 coupon. Use that and you pay $10.94. Get 6 back, making them $6.94 or $2.47 each. My next deal is spend 25 get 10 back on Neutrogena facial care. Pick up 1 Neutrogena Hydro Boost water gel priced at $25.99. Use the $5 digital coupon and you pay $20.99 and get 10 back, making it just $10.99. My next deal is on Eucerin lotion. It's part of spend 20 get $10 back. Pick up 3 5-ounce Eucerin lotion priced at $6.99 each. The 3 will total $20.97. Pay the $20.97 and you get 10 back, making them $10.97 or $3.66 each. Nivea hand and body lotion are on the deal of buy 2 get 7 back. Pick up 2 8.4-ounce Nivea lotion priced at $7.29 each. The 2 will total $14.58. Use a $2 digital coupon and you pay $12.58 and get 7 back, making them $5.58 or $2.79 each. All Nivea body wash is on sale for buy 1 get 1 free, no extra care box. If you like the men Nivea body wash, they are priced at $5.99. Pick up 2, pay $5.99, and that will make each one just $3. I don't think this deal have a limit, but if you prefer the women Nivea body wash, they are priced at $6.99. Pick up 2, pay $6.99, and that will make each just $3.50. The 11.25-ounce soft soap liquid hand soap and the 3-pack Irish Spring Bar soap are on sale for $2.99, and when you buy 2, you get $3 back. Pick up 2, it doesn't matter which one you choose, but they will total $5.98. Pay the $5.98 and you get 3 back, making them $2.98 or $1.49 each. L'Oreal Elvive shampoo and conditioner are on sale for $5.29, and when you buy 2, you get $4 back. Pick up 2 for a total of $10.58. Pay the $10.58 and you get 4 back, making them $6.58 or $3.29 each. The next hair care deal I have is on Garnier Fruity shampoo and conditioner. They are on sale for 2 for $9, and when you buy 2, you get 3 back. Pick up 2, use a 3 of 2 digital coupon, and you pay $6 and get 3 back, making them $3 or $1.50 each. The next hair care deal I have is buy 2 get 3 back on Garnier Whole Blends shampoo or conditioner. Pick up 1 shampoo and 1 conditioner priced at $5.99 each. These 2 would total $11.98. Use the 3 of 2 digital coupon and you will pay $8.98 and get 3 back, making them $5.98 or $2.99 each. My next deal is on OGX Hair Care. They are on sale for buy 1 get 1 40% off, and they are part of buy 2 get $4 back. Pick up 1 shampoo and 1 conditioner priced at $8.69, and with the buy 1 get 1 40% off, the second one will be $5.21. These 2 will total $13.90. Use the 6 of 2 digital coupon and you pay $7.90 and get 4 back, making them $3.90 or $1.95 each. The bagged Huggies diapers are on sale for 2 for $22, and they are part of spend 20 get 5. Pick up 2, use the 3 of 2 digital coupon and you will pay $19 and get 5 back, making them $14 or $7 each. My next deal is on Lysol disinfecting wipes. They are on sale for buy 1 get 1 free, and they are part of buy 2 get 3 back. Pick up 2 and it's priced at $10.99. Use $1 off Lysol digital coupon and you pay $9.99, get 3 back, making them $6.99 or $3.50 each. The Lysol toilet bowl cleaner is on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off and part of buy 2 get 3 back. Pick up 2 and it's priced at $4.29. And with the buy 1 get 1 50% off, the second one will be $2.15. These 2 will total $6.44. Pay the $6.44 and get 3 back, making them $3.44 or $1.72 each. The next deal I have is on the 12 rose cord bar tissues. They are on sale for $10.99 and they are part of spend 20 get 5 back. Pick up 2 for a total of $21.98. Pay the $21.98 and get 5 back, making them $16.98 or $8.49 each. My next deal is spend 30 get $10 back. Pick up 1 Tide detergent on sale for $14.99, 2 Tide pods on sale for $5.49 each, and 1 small Tide detergent on sale for $5.49. These 4 items will total $31.46. Use a $3 digital coupon for the big Tide, a $1 off Tide coupon for the small Tide from Coupon 24 app, and 2 $1 off Tide coupon for the Tide Pods, 1 from Coupon 24 app and 1 from CVS app. The 4 coupons will take off $6 and you pay $25.46, get 10 back, making them $15.46 or $3.87 each. Now we can get into the Epic Beauty Sale. I have 6 options for you. You can do exactly what I have here, or this can give you an idea to create your own deal. For the first option, I'm going to combine the Eucerin deal with the Garnier Fructis deal. For the Eucerin, it's on the deal of spend 20 get 10 back, and the Garnier is buy 2 get 3 back. Pick up 3 5-ounce Eucerin lotion, priced at $6.99 each. And pick up 2 Garnier Fructis shampoo and conditioner on sale for 2 for $9. These 5 items will total $29.97, and that's within the 98% rule for spend 30. Use the 3 off 2 Garnier digital coupon and the 10 off 30 beauty CRT. The coupon and the CRT will take off $13 and you pay $16.97, and you will get 10 back for the Eucerin deal and $3 back for the Fructis deal. That will end up making them just $3.97 or 79 cents each. For the second option, I'm going to combine the spend 25 get 10 back on Neutrogena facial care and buy 2 get 3 back on Softsoap liquid hand soap or 3-pack Iris spring bar soap. Pick up 1 Neutrogena Hydro Boost water gel priced at $25.99, 1 Softsoap liquid hand soap on sale for $2.99, and 1 3-pack Iris spring bar soap on sale for $2.99. These 3 items will total $31.97. Use a $5 off Neutrogena digital coupon and a 10 off 30 beauty CRT. The coupon and the CRT will take off $15 and you pay $16.97. Get 10 back for the Neutrogena deal and $3 back for the Iris Spring deal. That will end up making them just $3.97 or $1.33 each. The third option is on spend 25 get 10 back on Neutrogena facial care and the buy 1 get 1 free on Nivea body wash. Pick up 2 Nivea men body wash on sale for buy 1 get 1 free and it's priced at $5.99, and 1 Neutrogena Hydro Boost water gel priced at $25.99. These 3 items will total $31.98. Use a $5 off Neutrogena digital coupon and the 10 off 30 CRT. You will pay $16.98 and you get 10 back for the Neutrogena deal. That will end up making them just $6.98 or $2.33 each. For my fourth option, I'm going to combine the buy 2 get 7 back on Nivea hand and body lotion with the spend 20 get 10 back on Eucerin lotion. Pick up 2 Nivea lotion priced at $7.29 each, and 3 5-ounce Eucerin lotion priced at $6.99 each. The 5 items will total $35.55. Use a $2 off Nivea digital coupon and a 10 off 30 beauty CRT. The coupon and the CRT will take off $12 and you pay $23.55, get 10 back for the Eucerin deal and 7 back for the Nivea deal. And that will make these 5 items just $6.55 or $1.31 each. For the fifth option, I'm going to combine the spend 12 get 7 back on any Neutrogena cosmetics and the spend 15 get 10 back on Real Technique. Pick up 1 Real Technique 2-in-1 powder puff priced at $6.79 and 1 Real Technique sponge duo priced at $11.99. And for the Neutrogena deal, pick up 1 lip gloss priced at $11.99 and that's within the 98% rule for spend 12. These 3 items will total $30.77. Use the $3 off Neutrogena digital coupon and the 10 off 30 beauty CRT. The coupon and the CRT will take off $13 and you pay $17.77 and get back $10 for the Real Technique deal and $7 back for the Neutrogena deal. That will end up making them just 77 cents or 26 cents each. For the sixth option, I'm going to combine the buy 2 get 3 back on the whole blend, buy 2 get 4 back on OGX, and buy 1 get 1 free on Nivea body wash. And it's not giving back any extra care box. Pick up 2 Nivea women body wash on sale for buy 1 get 1 free and it's priced at $6.99. 2 OGX hair care on sale for buy 1 get 1 40% off and it's priced at $8.69. And with the buy 1 get 1 40% off, the second one will be $5.21. And also pick up 2 whole blends priced at $5.99 each. These 6 items will total $32.87. Use a 6 off 2 OGX digital coupon, 3 off 2 whole blend digital coupon, and a 10 off 30 beauty CRT. The 2 coupons and the CRT will take off $19 and you pay $13.87. Get 4 back for the OGX deal and $3 back for the whole blend deal. And that will make all 6 items just $6.87 or $1.15 each. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching. Thanks for all your support and I'll talk to you all next time. Bye.